Okay, the first impression was that I felt really small and also scary, and so my body was really try to be close but at the same time try to be open, looking especially in that part that is the city full of people. I don't know why, but I start to think about a sense of alienation and a sense of be part of something. So my body was like try to be close but at the same time want to be part of something. So this was my feeling. Yeah, basically this. Maybe more like the shape, so like the aesthetic of the space where we are, and at the same time like the feeling about what I feel about this space. What I said before to you is that like this tension to be in a space in between the empty space and the big city full of people. So like to be in a with emotional and at the same time like aesthetic, I think. I was trying to give like to be free to express how my body feel, but not really performance.
No performance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like some movement that for some reason come in my mind in a natural way without thinking so much to create like a performance.
Yeah.
In fact, I think they were kind of disconnected movements, not really connected one to each other.
Which was my idea of what I wanted to do. So then the dance kind of became more about the second time round that I couldn't get in, and the restriction of that with my body. And then when I put my legs up, I kind of submitted myself to it and gave in almost. It does mirror how I feel about the landscape. How I feel about these sort of areas in general, and how a lot of them are restricted access, and my
Whenever you're ready.
towards that.
what you do, you make more choices or more precise choices, I assume, about what you do, and you kind of try to be really perceptive about everything, about sound, space, people. Yes, in that sense, you're kind of, I don't want to say you're not as free as you were before. You still have a lot of freedom, but you're in this setting in a way.
Yeah.
So that restricts you in a way, but at the same time you've got all these possibilities.
Yeah, I think it's like the invitation to do it is such a sort of a nice thing that kind of suddenly it's like there's many things, many suggestions, and a lot of stimulus that it's sort of like this. What am I actually doing? So it feels like as I was doing it now, there was this constant filter saying, "Don't do too much. Don't." I had this thing in the back of my head, like, okay, stay with something and maybe taste that for slightly longer. There was a lot of impulses for me to go towards things, or whether that was a sort of a physical response to just visual invitations that the space gives you, or things that came from you, or so I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I had that voice in my head saying, okay.
Yeah, but I think it's a space as well. It doesn't make you want to do a lot.
Yeah,
because
no,
it's so
absolutely.
isolated.
Yeah.
So you kind of feel like, okay, you kind of, whatever you do, it's just a minimal thing, and you kind of want to just do that, or just stay somewhere, or just be a bit still. I think that's what I felt. But it didn't feel really right to kind of dance around or do a big thing out of something.
I had the opposite. I had the urge to, because it's so organized and not so much movement in there, it felt like it invited me to really stir it up.
Yeah.
or because it felt like even just walking across this